family, welcome to today's vlog. In today's vlog, I'm going to be showing you the kitchen update. So as you guys know from the last vlog, I painted the island and now we actually have the granite piece on it. So I'm going to show you guys that. Today is really raining and the weather is kind of gloomy and dark. So I'm still trying to figure out lighting as far as the new house goes, but I apologize in advance for the lighting because as I said, I had to come and open the door to be able to even get this intro. So let me show you guys. So in the last vlog, I was working on our kitchen island. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. So we have actually finished the kitchen island. It used to be a lime green color, but you guys saw me paint that so that it matches everything else. So this is the kind of white we were going for, and we ended up achieving that. And then the guys came and actually installed it. That thing is super heavy, but it's also beautiful as well. Don't mind me here. I'm just being a mom. This is the song that Nadia's grandmother sang for her when she was first born in the hospital. So she has come to really like this song. So whenever she does anything cute, we all like to sing it for her and she likes to dance to it as well. So that is just what we're doing here. But anyway, this is a little religious side of me that you guys may not know. But before we moved into the house, I just wanted to dedicate the house to the Lord. So I invited one of my big sis, who is also a minister, someone I have high respect for, to pray for the house. So she brought her 2 kids, and then some of the people from my family and Nandy's family just joined hands to pray for the house. So that is what we're doing here. So we are here to pick up some furniture. It was easier for us to pick them up than to, pay for delivery. So we already had the U-Haul because obviously we're moving. So we're like, why don't we just pick it up ourselves and save $100? Because when you're moving, things can get very expensive and every penny count. So that's why we're here. Nandy is backing up right now. The guy is directing him and he's just backing up, and they're gonna load everything and then we're gonna take it home. So that is why we're here. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited for you guys to see this couch that we got. It's a nice set. It's definitely going to be high maintenance, but that is what I want. So that's what I'm gonna get. And when you guys see it, you'll know what I'm talking about. It took me a while to find this because we went to a lot of furniture stores. I looked online and we ended up coming to the Macy's furniture store, and that's where we're getting our stuff from. So Nanny just went back there. I think he's gonna go help the guys. The couches are really big, and that's the thing too, because what a lot of people don't know is apartment furniture is different from house furniture. Like, we had a few pieces in our apartment. We did get rid of a lot of stuff, but the stuff that we did want, once we moved it into the house, it looked so small. It honestly looked like it was from a doll house. So I was like, oh my God, we're gonna need really big pieces. And secondly, a lot of our walls are really tall. So if you put a small piece of furniture, it just doesn't look right. So I was looking for big pieces, and it might not look super big in the space, but it's gonna fit. It's gonna offset the high walls and the big furniture, so it's gonna look right. But if I went and got small pieces for those tall walls, it just wouldn't look right. So it was really hard to find, and I started looking for this stuff even before we got the keys. So I'm just happy that I was able to find something remotely close to what I actually wanted. I had to pay a pretty penny for them, but hey, I got what I want, so I'm excited about that, and I cannot wait for you guys to see these things. You have to back up more?
Just slowly.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying that, but
I mean, the lighting is so off.
it's nice.
Moving is so stressful, y'all. They got the first piece, so we're waiting for the bigger piece. But there it is. There's my baby. Oh my God, do you guys see that? There it is. They're getting it on. So we're just here looking at paint. So I want to paint that one wall, but I'm looking for a good shade of white. And these are the shades of whites they have. You think you know what you want until you get here and it's like, oh my God, there are so many shades. And it goes all the way up there. And then you have to get the painting thing. This is the long pole for painting.
This one you made for the big one.
Well, did you ask Robert if he has one?
You should go dip in your house.
So in my previous videos, I told you guys that although I really like the fireplace, I didn't really think that the brick and the gray walls go together. So I decided to paint it. So I went to the store, I picked out 2 combinations of colors, and then I came home and decided to test it. So as you can see here, the other lady there next to me is Nandy's cousin's wife. So we were just testing out the paint to see which one works. So we ended up coming up with a good combination of 2 shades of white. So that is the color I'm going to use for the fireplace. So while painting the fireplace, I also decided that I wanted a distressed farmhouse kind of white look. I didn't want it to just be a flat white. I wanted it to kind of look distressed in a way. So that is the look I went for as well. So then I decided that I wanted the entire living room to be white. So instead of just having the fireplace a different shade of white and then one wall, I wanted to just match everything so it makes sense. So that is what we ended up going for. So after painting for a while, everyone decided that they were hungry, so they decided to take an eating break. Well, I had already ate that morning and I wasn't hungry, so everyone else went and started to eat as I continued to paint. And as you can see, they are doing it the African way. So we as families like to eat in the same bowl. So that is what they're doing there. But anyways, as you can see, I'm done with the fireplace, and now Nandy's cousin is going to paint the walls, and that is what he's doing here. So as I previously mentioned, we are painting the entire living room, and the color we're using here is kind of like a light off-white color. It's not completely white. This color is called Swiss white. And this is Nandy holding a baby, but that baby is his cousin's son. That is not baby Nadia. I just wanted to clarify that. Okay, so this is the finishing look. I am absolutely in love with it. The walls are painted and the fireplace is also painted. Painting the walls and the fireplace was a very smart decision because it made the living room look so much bigger. I am absolutely in love with the results and I cannot wait to start decorating. The walls are painted. I finally got my white walls. You probably can't see this, but some of the grades are left in like those cutouts, but the rest of the walls are painted. And my favorite part is that fireplace. The fireplace is absolutely beautiful. Let me show you guys this up close. So there is some glare, so you're not gonna be able to see, but look at the work here. It's absolutely gorgeous. The paint color is beautiful as well. It's not super white. The color is called Swiss Coffee. So that's the color we went for. It's kind of like a lighter off-white color. And then for the fireplace, I completely forget what color it is. And we just wanted this beautiful white distressed look. So that is what I feel like we have accomplished here. But yes, the whole room is white now. And I also have the curtains up on this side. It's not the curtains I want yet, but this would do for now. So these are blackout curtains, and we don't have blinds on the windows yet. So this is basically just here to cover everything, at least for now. I do like the color. It matches everything else, but I don't know yet. But I think I'm gonna change the curtains. The only thing left to do are the floors. So we're just gonna clean the floors and start moving things back in here. So that's what we're about to do. So now the floors are clean. We're gonna start moving stuff in here. And that's little Miss Nadia there playing something on the phone. Nadia! Nadia! She doesn't care. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. More decor videos to come. So if you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss another video again. And please, please be safe out there. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.